This dangerous dog will blow your mind. The Doberman Pinscher was created to be the perfect protection dog. They're known for their sleek coat, athletic build, and regal stance. A fully grown Doberman stands between 24 to 28 inches tall, with a muscular physique that's both elegant and intimidating. Dobermans are incredibly intelligent and easily trainable, ranking among the top 5 smartest dog breeds. They excel in obedience, agility, and are often used in police and military roles, showcasing their versatility and work ethic. Despite their fearsome reputation, Dobermans are incredibly loyal and affectionate with their families. They are known to be gentle and loving, especially with children, making them excellent family pets as well as protectors. Their alertness and fearless nature make them outstanding guard dogs. They are natural protectors who will not hesitate to defend their home and family if they perceive a threat. However, with proper training and socialization, they are calm and controlled,